Okay, here's my latest find. It's a 1980 Blizzard MX 5500 Ski-Doo. She's rough. It's a little rough sled, that's for sure. Just like a piece of fine aged cheese. Look at the seat. Being ratsledded right up. But yeah, that's my new Ratsled. Guaranteed there's one or two critters living in that sucker. Look at that. Evidence. But she's not seized. Track seems to be pretty good. So I think this is gonna work. I think this will work, be a good running sled. I gotta play around with it, and tunnel's a little ripped up. But oh well, what to be expected. I'll get her up and hopping and clean her up as best as I can, and maybe make a trade for something I want, like I don't know, something anyways. I don't like to tell too many people what I want, because then all of a sudden it seems to be wanted by everybody. Alright folks, yeah, stay tuned. One day soon this will be up and running, because I'm building a shed to work in, and it's gonna have wood heat and all that type of jazz, so I'll be able to get to some of these old Ratsleds. And here's just a little teaser of them. Quite a few going on. All right, click, comment, whatever. I know there's not much of a video, but oh yeah, I got kicked off a Do Talk for some reason. Been there forever, and I don't know. They didn't want my advertising going on there, I guess. Maybe they got a couple too. Maybe they got too many rats running around. Anyways, all right, later, folks. Stay tuned.